Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala from Grace Hill Homoeopathy. Today I'll discuss a very infrequently used medicine in relation to mind. There comes a time where there are remedies which we only study for a particular purpose. For example, specific disease conditions like heart, liver, lungs, menses problem. But अगर आप उसके ऊपर देखिए, if you see above that, that remedy also has certain symptoms which are very close to maybe one of the polychrist, but we have not read that remedy, that's why we can't prescribe. Today I am talking about THLASPI Bursa Pastoris. Yes, it's a very important remedy for female complaints, especially menses complaints, that everybody knows that. I'll just discuss a case, where there were some mental symptoms which were very peculiar to a polychrist, which I prescribed and filled, and then I read about THLASPI and the medicine cured the case. There was a case of a lady of menstrual disorder. Of course, she had a lot of symptoms of menstrual disorder like bleeding and clots, reddish blood, clotted blood. And case taking was done, and she had a very interesting symptom, restlessness. She was a very restless lady, she said that she has to move constantly. In fact, her husband also said, sir, give her something. She cannot sit at one place. She always wants to do something, always on a move, always wants to do this, do that. Very restless, And the patient told that if I don't do something, I feel anxiety, I can't wait, And in spite of having a menses problem and bleeding, because of movement, she was restless. And because of restlessness, she used to go and sit in the neighbor's house, sometimes the friend's house. Sometimes the person she visited did not like it, but because of the restlessness, she had to move. So I just told her, just do morning walk and that's fine for you. And then she started doing morning walk. And the patient said, I love morning walk, but my husband say, my children say that you wake up early in the morning to make my tiffin and all. So you, after making tiffin, you sleep for 2-3 hours so that you rest because you are feeling tired. But I love morning walk, and she was so happy. I told her to do morning walk, and she had a desire to do morning walk every time, and she used to walk. But as it goes, she used to walk so much then, more than normal. Like we have a remedy called as arsenic, in which it is written that restlessness is there, the patient wants to move constantly, desires to go from place to place, and in arsenic drinks water more than the need. That's arsenic. The same was in this case, wants to walk but desires to walk far. So the remedy was very close to arsenic, the remedy was very close to belladonna, close to pulsatilla, close to semesifuga. These remedy also have restlessness and menses problem. Though I gave arsenic, did not cure the case, pulsatilla did not cure the case. But when I gave THLASPI to the patient, 200, I repeated, I think maybe infrequent repetition 2 or 3 times, and the patient was cured of that restlessness. The mind came calm, calmed down. The menses complaints were absolutely fine. The hemoglobin was raised, and the patient was appearing absolutely fit. This was a very interesting and a learning case to me to read those remedies which are very infrequently used in these type of complaints. If you open THLASPI Bursa Pastoris, rarely it is thought about in mental symptoms. Mental symptom में बहुत कम जगह हम पढ़ते THLASPI का. जो mental symptom मैंने देखा THLASPI का, that is restlessness, must move constantly, which you can compare with arsenic, belladonna, pulsatilla, semesifuga. Or you can take restlessness, which drives the patient from place to place. Again, you can think about arsenic, belladonna, pulsatilla, and you can add ammonium carb in that. That is also very important. Or calcarea phos. Other remedies are there. Walking desires too, especially in the morning, THLASPI. और वॉकिंग डिजायर्स टू फार, दूर चलने की इच्छा होती, चलो दूर वॉक पे जाएंगे हम. आप थक जाएंगे बट THLASPI नहीं थकेंगे. This is THLASPI pastoris. While reading THLASPI, I have one symptom which I understood of THLASPI, which is a very important symptom to understand, that is exhilaration. What is exhilaration? That is a feeling of excitement, feeling of happiness, or elation. We say that just India won the World Cup and we say they were exhilarated. They felt exhilaration after the victory of World Cup. This is THLASPI BURSA, exhilaration after sadness. मतलब पेशेंट बहुत उदास रहता है, बहुत शांत रहता है, डल रहता है, थोड़ा एक डिप्रेसिव मूड में रहता है, एंड नेक्स्ट देयर इज एक्सिलेशन. अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम ऑफ THLASPI BURSA PASTORIS, एक्सिलेशन आफ्टर सैडनेस. टू रेमेडीज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट इज THLASPI एंड सेकेंड इज जीजा. सो दोस्तों ये है THLASPI BURSA PASTORIS. Importance of knowing mental symptom of infrequently used medicines in our practice, ताकि आपको कॉमन रेमेडीज में से ही आपका मैक्सिमम क्योर आपको मिल सकता है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.